In this lesson, you'll learn how your clients will use the self-check-in feature. When using self-check-in, the first thing your clients will do is select whether they're a new client or an existing client. Depending on your settings, the estimated wait time may also be displayed at the top of the home page. If they're a new client, they'll need to enter their details such as their name and phone number. And press Add. If your services are grouped into categories, the client will select a category, then select a service. If they wish to add more services, they can press the Add a Service button. And if you've chosen to allow your clients to request an employee, they can click on the Employee button and then choose their preferred employee. They'll then press Next to continue. The client will then be presented with their approximate start time, and they'll be asked to review and confirm their services. If you have visit delays switched on, then the clients have the option to delay their visit by a certain time frame. They will then press Confirm and press Yes to confirm the time. Depending on your settings, the client might also be presented with a final confirmation screen. Here they can choose whether they'd like to receive a text message reminder before their service. They can also specify how long before the service they want to receive the reminder. Once the client presses Finish, they'll be added to the self-check-in queue. The screen will then return to the home page ready for the next client to check in. Now I'll show you how an existing client would check in. Rather than entering their details, an existing client will be asked to search for their details. The client will then select from a list of possible matches. Depending on your settings, the client may have the option to edit their details, or they can simply press Select to confirm their details. Once the client has been identified, they'll select their desired services. The client will then continue with the self-check-in process in the same way as a new client. Now that you know the basic features of self-check-in, you understand how your clients will use this feature to check in for a service.